This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Carswell. Come see this 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, well-maintained home that was fully renovated just 2 years ago. This home features an open floor plan with a gourmet kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and a custom tile backsplash. Updated flooring is also featured throughout the home. Downstairs there are 2 full bathrooms with tiled showers, and upstairs, you will find a full bath as well. Fenced-in backyard with a privacy fence. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.